and welcome to the new vlog from Madrid. Today is Friday and this is almost my last Friday because I have only the next week left. The cats are here. Actually, the other one is there. A bit sad though that I'm leaving soon, but we're gonna talk about it later because I didn't eat yet, so I'm gonna eat in the office. Enjoy this mini vlog from Madrid and let's go. There you are. Well, cancel all the plans for today because it was raining so much. I don't know if you can see around me that it's completely wet now. Let's see, I hope it gets better during the day so that I can go out a bit and walk around without having to carry umbrella. Look at this baby. Like this cat. You can do anything to him and he's gonna be still like a baby. I can't. Well, I took a nap, so now it's time to eat dinner, let's say, because it's already 7. But I don't know if you see maybe a bit of sun in the room, but it's so bright, and now it's the time when it's so hot here. Yesterday was a cooking day, so I made wraps, and in these ones I put hummus, a bit of corn and a bit of red pepper and rucola. Usually I put even avocado, but I bought one yesterday and it wasn't ready yet, so yeah, I just didn't put it in the end. I love making wraps in the summer because they are super fast to make and also they are refreshing in the end of the day. I mean, there are not many things that I can eat cold for lunch, but this is fine. So. Good morning, it's Saturday and I got ready because I'm going to the pool. It's now around 10 in the morning, so I need to meet my friends around 11 and then we're going to the pool, and it's my first time ever in Madrid, so I'm excited to see how are the open public pools here. Today is gonna be a fun day because besides the pool I also have a birthday of my roommate, the girls that I share apartment with, so I was just helping the other girl make balloons and stuff in our living room and it looks very cute. We're just gonna celebrate it then tonight, so that's gonna be fun, I guess. Enjoy this day with me and let's go swim a bit. It's time to get ready for the dinner. I have about a half an hour until I leave, so I just need to find an outfit and put makeup on and go. But in general, with this heat and because I got a bit tanned, I don't like to put a lot of makeup these days, so that's not gonna be a problem. It's literally like 5 minutes. But the outfit, I don't know, because we are going to some Italian restaurant for my friend's birthday and I think it's not that elegant and I don't need to have something very wow. It's either this one with the belt and it's gonna be like this. I think I didn't wear it at all this summer and it's one of my favorite dresses. Or maybe this one, but it has one long sleeve. And also it's giving more like a elegant dress. Definitely, I think I'm gonna wear something black tonight. So the third option would be just a normal black dress, which I usually wear, like I cross those ones. I think I'm gonna go with the first one though. Okay, decided. I put it on the wrong side. This dress is also very good for dinners because there is a lot of holes in the belt, so I can just adjust it if I get a bit of stomach after eating. And I think I'm gonna wear just my basic black sandals. Yay! Time for jewelry. One ring, another ring. I'm just gonna put these basic hoops. I wanted to also show you my new tattoo that I did maybe 2 or 3 days ago. So I still had a foil until now when I came back from the pool. It's related to Venice and this is one of my favorite necklaces that I have, which is the Venetian end of the gondola. I've been wanting this tattoo for over a year now and I wanted to do it in Italy, but then wherever I checked it was or too expensive or they are not doing fine line tattoos. So I always had in mind, okay, I want to go to Madrid and do a tattoo because I did already 3 here when I was the last time, like last January. And they are these fine line tattoos and very small and cute. So then the other day before I went to Venice this last week, I made an appointment and I came back and I did a tattoo. So I did here the same thing that is on my necklace and I'm very happy about how it turned out. Now you can still see the mark around where was the foil because, as I said, I just took it off. But honestly, it's very, very nice tattoo and I like the size of it. And in the beginning I had the idea just to do like a linear, not to fill it, but since the size is very small, they told me it's not gonna be very nice because some of the lines might get together and then some parts would look thicker than the other parts. So I just said, okay, fill it and that's it. I'm finally kind of closing the Venice chapter and I'm very, very happy about this tattoo and I'm happy that I can carry part of Venice forever with me. Well, good morning. It's Sunday and today I decided to go to visit some park that I had on my mind since I came here, but because it's a bit far, I still didn't get to go. And yesterday was also fun. We went out after the restaurant and then I came home and it was like almost 3. So I slept a bit longer and I wanted to rest for the upcoming week because it's gonna be a lot of things and it's my last week in Madrid and I have to slowly pack and organize my life for the moving. That's it, let's go to the park. I made it to the park. Honestly, like as soon as I entered, it's very, very nice and it seems like a big park and there is a lot of things to see. One thing is just a bit weird that they are not letting you enter with any food. I literally had grapes only. Like I didn't bring some food, I don't know, I just wanted some fruits to refresh and they said no, you can leave it in the entrance and take it back when you go out. And I was like, okay. I told you in the beginning of this vlog that this is my last week in Madrid. I mean, now I have 7 more days because today is Sunday and I'm basically leaving the next Sunday. I'm really sad about it because I feel like this is one of the cities where I would definitely come back to live for some time, especially because before I did Erasmus here for 5 months and I lived here and explored the city the most that I could because I didn't expect that I would get another opportunity to come here. And now another 3 months and I really feel like it became one part of the home. I mean, also both experiences were very nice and I still kind of have a lot of time after work, and the last time I had university, I think only 2 or 3 days per week. So I really had a lot of time to explore Madrid and enjoy it to the fullest. And now it just feels weird to leave. I mean, I'm excited for the new opportunities that are coming, that you're gonna see in the upcoming months. I'm just grateful to be able to experience the city all over again. Moving away from the cities that I really like is the worst thing ever. Even this thing came after Venice, where I lived for long, and leaving Venice was devastating. But also I understood that there is no opportunities in Venice for me and I wouldn't build my life there. It's very nice for studying and living for 2-3 years as I did, but not as a long-term plan. Yeah, I just don't see myself in Venice at the moment. On the other hand, Madrid is definitely a more exciting city and there is a lot going on, and I feel like, yeah, this could be the place. But for now, unfortunately, I would have to leave it behind me, and maybe in the future I come back, you never know. Closing each chapter of my life feels a bit weird because, yeah, I always have this fear of the new thing, of, oh, maybe what if I don't like the new thing or something, but I guess that's normal. So don't be afraid of change. It's very nice, and I guess after all this moving around, I kind of got used to it. Each few months maybe I'm somewhere else, so it doesn't feel that weird as maybe the first time it felt. I cried a bit the other day, I have to say, because I was just a bit sad about everything, but I'm just a girl. Hope it's all gonna be good. Oh my god, there are some ducks, I think, but they are so adorable. I need to show you. It's time for late lunch. For the rest of the weekend, I'm probably gonna rest a bit now and then later go out with a friend, and that's it. Tomorrow is a work day, so maybe I'm gonna start a new vlog because I think there is enough information and things happening in this one. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I hope I can make at least 1 or 2 more from Madrid before I leave, so that I have it as well as a memory of my last week. I'm sending you kisses from Madrid, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao!